Hello guys, my name is Rajkumar Lakhani. I talk to deliver the presentation about the COVID-19 virus. So me and my group members are talk about the COVID-19 virus, not the normally COVID-19 virus. They present with a brief history about the coronavirus. I talk to deliver the presentation about the coronavirus in biological point of view. Means what the basic assumption of coronavirus in biological point of view. What the abstract about the coronavirus COVID-19 virus. So first of all, I discuss about the coronavirus. You know that the coronavirus, COVID-19 disease are epidemic disease, worldwide disease. They are appears all over the world. It means they appear all over the world. It means they have appearance of COVID-19 virus all over country of the world. So COVID-19 disease. First of all, COVID-19 disease attacks the respiratory system of human body. It means it attacks the lungs of human body. It means attacks the alveoli of human body. So for alveoli, if you know that the alveoli, where the alveoli occurs in the lungs of human body. Or okay, understand. And if you know that the transportation of transmission of transport of oxygen through the blood by the help of alveoli, where it means the transmission of oxygens or minerals occurs through the alveoli. They attacks the alveoli membrane. COVID-19 virus, coronavirus attacks the alveoli membrane of the alveoli membrane, and it decreases the surface tension of the surface tension of alveoli membranes, where the low concentration of oxygen inhaled through the alveoli. It means normally normally the oxygens in liter in a liter or milliliter. So if the attacks of coronavirus, they have less amount of oxygen inhaled through the lungs, and it blocks the oxygen's veins. So disturbance in inhalation and exhalation of oxygen. And you know that the oxygen is the basic need of human body. It means they are major source of human body, for the energy, for the work, for the exercise, any of things. If the need of oxygen is low, it means that the cells, that the cells of human body, white blood cells, red blood cells. White blood cells are responsible for the immune systems. Leukocyte cells are cytokinin cells. They are major role in immune system. That the red blood cells are use antibodies against the virus. Means the form antibodies against the virus or bacteria, and destroyed all virus or all bacteria. If the concentration of oxygen in health body is low, it means the cells are not properly functions. It would be destroyed, and such a conditions the body is not properly functions. And that if the cells are not works, while body is also not works, so the response of immune systems are not properly functions, and so taking of animal disease goes through the body, and normally body are in serious conditions, seriously occurring death. Thanks.
Hello guys, myself Purushottam, and today my topic is COVID-19. On January 9 of this year, Chinese state media reported that a team of researchers had identified the pathogen behind a mysterious outbreak, a phenomena in Wuhan, as a novel coronavirus. Although the virus was soon after named COVID 19 and then renamed SARS CoV 2. It remains commonly known simply as the coronavirus, while that moniker has been catapulted into the stratosphere of public attention. It's somewhat misleading. Not only is the is it one of many coronaviruses out there, but you have almost certainly been infected with members of the family long before SARS-CoV-2 emergence in late 2090. Coronaviruses take their name from the distinctive spikes with rounded tips that decorate their surface, which reminded virologists of the appearance of the sun's atmosphere. Known as its virus, various coronaviruses infect numerous species. But the first human coronavirus were not discovered until the mid 1960. That was short of the golden days, if you will, of virology, because at that time the technology become available to grow viruses in the laboratory and study viruses in the laboratory, says University of Texas Southwestern Medical Center pediatrician Jeffrey Cahan, who studies respiratory viruses. But the two coronaviruses that were identified at the time, OC43 and 229E, didn't elicit much research interest, says Cahan, who wrote a review on coronaviruses as a few years after the SARS outbreak of 2003. I don't against these because these were thought to be more of a nuisance than anything else. The viruses caused typical cold symptoms such as sore throat, cough, and stuffy nose, and they seemed to be very common. One early study estimated that the percentage of respiratory illness in a children's human in Georgia over 7 years in the 1960 had been caused by OC43, and a 1986 study of children and adults in northern Italy found that it was rare to come across a subject who did not have antibodies to that virus. Thank you.
Started the great name of Allah, peace and benediction. Good morning. Today my topic is about coronavirus and its symptoms. Corona is a dangerous virus due to which many people lost their lives. It is worldwide disease and pandemic pandemic also named worldwide disease. Many people are died due to this virus and disease. This was the most dangerous virus in the world in history, and about 20,000 people died as cancer due to this virus, and many are admitted nowadays in hospitals, and their symptoms are normally fever, cough, body pain, headache, and after 40 days, if these symptoms never recovered, then more symptoms are seen, just like chest pain or spread. This was spread to lungs, and this is the most dangerous stage of this virus. Because that stage, just spreading in just if doctor admitted the patient on ventilator and mentions decrease when ventilator when patients change on ventilator and there is 20 or 10% chance of life for patient, no more time. And this was change old was still many people are due to poverty and lockdown system and many also people due to this virus. Thank you. I am told about this topic.